2001 GMC Sierra with a Vortex Max 6.0 liter engine. That's gonna sound phenomenal. We put two high flow catalytic converters on it, one there, one there. Then it was true dualed before by somebody else and had FLOWMASTER 40s on it with turn downs. And we said, sounds like, you know, doo-doo. I don't want to say the bad word. So we took it off and replaced it with 3-inch in, 3-inch out FLOWMASTER Super 10s with 3-inch turn downs instead of this 2 1/4 crap that looks like crap. We can't take that. We like it beautiful. And that absolutely looks beautiful. If you guys agree, subscribe and hit that like button. This is gonna sound phenomenal too. So there's the high flow cats. There and there. And the Super 10s there with turn downs. Beast mode initiated. Those Super 10s right here. Here's the part number 843016. If you guys want to purchase them, there'll be a link in the description form. Again, that's for the Super 10s. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. About 110. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It's got shorty headers on it. Here's a 6.0 motor. It's got shorty headers on it. Cold air intake, Spectra. Came out really nice. Give a guess. You guys can really hear. There's the header. Really nice. Really nicely done. Really beautiful truck. Really clean. There it is. Hope you guys like it. Really nice set of wheels, just clean all the way around.